Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video. So first of all, I would like to thank and welcome all the new subscribers. We gained a lot in the last couple of weeks. Yeah, I'm very happy about that, and yeah, it does a lot to me that you guys want to subscribe to my channel and that you enjoy my videos. So thank you for that. Yeah, the reason that I did not post a video the last couple of weeks was mainly because I was waiting on a couple of parts. Yeah, one of the parts I'm sitting in right now. I bought some Recaro seats from an Evo 4. I got them for a nice price, but the side cushions need to be replaced, and there's a cigarette hole in one of the side cushions. But yeah, I think Recaro still sells the cushions and the Alcantara fabric, so I will replace that in the future if I'm planning to keep these seats. Yeah, the seats are already mounted. I could not find any Integra Type R seat rails. Nobody wanted to sell me the seat rails separately from the seats. And if I found a set, then the price was just insane. So yeah, I cut up my original EG seat rails. And I made some brackets that fit underneath the Recaro seats, and I welded that to the EG seat rails. Yeah, I am by no means any professional welder or something. I just bought a cheap flux core welding machine, and yeah, I tried a couple of pieces first, and yeah, once I got the hang of it a little bit. Yeah, I welded the brackets on the seat rails. The welds are effing ugly, but yeah, they are strong. I can sit in it very good, and yeah, I still wanted to have the slide option because my daughter also needs to go in the back of the car once a week, so yeah, I need to be able to move the seat forward. So yeah, that's why I chose to not go with aftermarket brackets or something. And the other thing I was waiting for, and that took quite some time. I ordered it through a guy, and after 4 weeks I still did not receive the part. So I emailed him. I said, hey yo, where's the part? Why is it taking so long? And then it took another week, and then he said he lost the package, so he returned me my money. And then I bought it from a different company, and 1 week later it was in. Very happy with that. The part I'm talking about is a Nardi classic steering wheel. Yeah, I always liked the Nardi classic. But yeah, it's a pretty expensive steering wheel, and yeah, normally I wouldn't pay that much for a steering wheel, but yeah, I really like this one, so I thought, yeah, why not? I just ordered it, and I'm very happy with it. I chose to go with the leather, the perforated leather with the red stitching. Because yeah, I daily drive the car, and the suede one, I think it's gonna wear pretty fast if you daily drive the car. So yeah, that's why I chose for the leather steering wheel. We are going to install that today. To install it, I also bought a NRG short hub to go with that, and a Gen 2 quick release. So yeah, that's going to replace my original steering wheel, and we are going to do that right now. So to remove the old steering wheel, I always take the middle part from the steering wheel out. Yeah, you can just pry it with a small screwdriver and it pops right off, and then you have the nut in there. Sometimes I see people going behind the steering wheel. There are 3 screws that you can undo to take the whole horn part out of it, but this is much easier. Just pry it out and then you have access to the bolt. So I'm going to remove that now, and once I get the steering wheel off, yeah, we will install the NRG short hub. So the old steering wheel is off, and now we can install the NRG steering hub. I made sure the steering wheel was straight, or at least the wheels were straight, because my steering wheel was yeah, a slight bit off to the left. So I put the wheel straight, and then I twisted the inside part of this so it's straight, so it can fit. Yeah, the 2 notches here fit perfectly inside here once I press it on. So let's slide this thing on here. Like so. Let's see if the horn works, if that's making contact. Yeah. It's not making contact, so I'm just gonna press this out a little bit. Slide this back over. Yes, now it works. So that's that, and now we can get the short hub to install this part. Let me get some of the Allen bolts I got for it. Six pieces that go in there. Just have everything lined up. I'm first gonna attach the wires for the horn, like so, and like so, and I can put back this nut. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way, because maybe yeah, I need to take it off again if it's crooked. It looks straight now, but sometimes when you go driving it shifts over. So like that, and this can go inside here, I think, like so. This one goes over there. Now we put the Allen key, the Allen bolts in, not the Allen key. Install the steering wheel onto the snap off, and then we should be done. And so let me get the steering wheel, take this piece off. Steering wheel is installed. It's still a bit loose because I did not tighten it all the way, but that's fine for now. Let's see if we can take it off. Yeah, that also works. Yes, very happy with that. Now I can take my steering wheel with me. So I will figure out the horn, but I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. It should be as easy enough then. Oh. It should be as easy as just the positive goes on here and the negative should make contact somewhere, so your horn can work. That works. So yeah, I will figure that out, and then I can enjoy my new steering wheel. So yeah, that was it for today, guys. Yeah, it was a short video, but it's all the parts I got right now. So yeah, that's everything I could do. It did cost me a lot of money, so yeah, I have to save up again for other parts I need. But yeah, I ran out of ideas. Things I can do to the car. Yeah, the things I want are pretty expensive because I want to swap the car, replace the D15 that's in it. Yeah, maybe some small interior stuff. But other than that, I just want to drive the car and enjoy it. So I would like to ask you guys, yeah, if you have any input for me, things I can do to the car that that I'm not thinking about. It needs to be a daily driver, so yeah, I can't miss the car for one day, only in the weekends. So yeah, no crazy stuff like complete wire tucks or something like that. It must be something that I can do yeah, in one weekend, maybe 3 days. I hope you enjoyed this short video. It's not that yeah, there's not much in it, but yeah, I still hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smack that like button, comment down below with your thoughts and ideas. I read all the comments, not that I have much comments, but if you guys are going to spam the comment section for me, I will read all of them. Yeah, that's it for now. I will see you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel to keep posted about everything that's going on with this car. Yeah, that was it. I hope you guys have a nice day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.